How you doing, gardeners? We got a big day. Big day. Even though it's a small task. Delia, you want to tell folks what we got here?
Well, we got 2 peaches on this little tiny tree, and we're trying to figure out when to pick them. They look the right color. It's that, once they change into either their deep yellow or their orangey reddish color.
Yep.
They could be ready. But then the other thing they said was that when you go pick them, they have to be firm, but a little bit soft, and these are still pretty firm. But when you go pick them, you have to kind of turn them a quarter of a rotation at most, and it should just fall off.
Now that's just for a perfectly ready to eat peach at the moment, basically what they're suggesting.
Well, this was a big guy, and he had lots of trees.
Yeah,
so
okay.
That's how he picked
That's
them.
how he picked them.
And he showed you, and he would try to turn them, and nothing would happen. Or if you try to turn it, and then the whole branch would move. And like he was saying, well, this is almost at the base of the tree, so these branches are not really going to move when I try to turn the peach.
Okay, all right.
So anyway, but the ones that he did pick, literally he turned them a little bit, and they would just fall off. And you see, like, this is not falling off. Oh,
it did fall off.
They did fall off. They both fell off.
They both fell off. Okay, you just didn't go the quarter.
Both fell off.
You went to the 8th.
So they're ready.
Our first 2 peaches.
So they're
Do you remember the variety of this tree? I think we took the tags off.
We have the tags in, but we have 2 different varieties.
Yeah, it's like, it begins with an E, but I'm not positive on that. But yeah, I mean, we actually had another one over here, didn't we?
That one actually had quite a few.
But they started coming off after.
But they had so many that you picked a few off, and then the other ones eventually
I picked one off. I picked one off of a little tiny branch, something like.
Want to bite?
Well, let's share a bite, okay? Oh.
Are you good?
Here.
Are you good?
Oh my gosh.
It looks nice.
Oh gosh. Isn't that good?
Yep. It's ready.
It's ready. We could have probably picked it a little bit earlier, couldn't we? I mean, it's still good. That's nice. The branch I took it off of was right here. Look how little that thing is. I mean, it would not have supported it. So we know that it takes about 3 years, they say, to begin fruiting. That's what they suggest. Not that we can't. This is one we got this at Home Depot.
No bite.
Yeah, I'll have another one.
It's good.
Yeah. That's very good. I think people will be pretty pleased with that in the future, won't they? So we got we got 4 of them this spring from Home Depot, and we planted it. And these actually had fruit on them. Ours are not fruit. We had a frost, and so.
Oh, he's got a birdie.
Oh God. Oh. I don't know if I got that on film or not. I wasn't quite ready for it, but that's funny. Well, I hope the bird wins, personally. That cat gets fed. Oh, well. Well, that's exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Our very first peaches.
That works.
And that's a beautiful peach, considering this is such a young tree. Did you lose him?
He lost a birdie. Sorry, he came to give us the birdie, and
You went to drop off a birdie, and we didn't catch it for him from you.
Thank you for the birdie.
That's funny. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that video there. We had a little bonus at the end, didn't we? So anyway, no, that was a very good peach. It's not one of the great big ones or anything like that, but it's a very nice peach. It's a good size. It's a good size. It's not one of the newer varieties. It's a very old variety, but it's probably one of those situations where the patent is gone on these older varieties and stuff. So you have other people that are actually propagating it. So anyway, but yeah, we picked 4 of them up, and we got 2 peaches out of 1 plant. So that's pretty good. Hopefully next year we'll have a real small crop out of everybody. And then next year this will be their 2nd year, whereas yeah, the others are just 6 months ahead over there. So they're 6 months ahead. We planted them in the fall, so I'm expecting quite a bit of growth coming into next year, like I am on my blackberries. So kind of getting into the fruit here on the farm. I like it. people like it, and it's exciting. So if you like these types of videos, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.